Hello guys, Dan, GnarlyChicken Garage. Beautiful Saturday afternoon, I think. Yeah, it is the afternoon. Got a little TC 85 in the shop. In desperate need. Swingarm bearings. And chain sprocket. So I'm going to get to work on this, start taking the back end apart, take that nasty swingarm off, and put it on the bench. I think my light just burned out. Yep, it did. Good thing it's daylight. Alright. Jesus Christ. Man. That wasn't a lot of fun. Oh yeah. Hopefully it does. Oh yes. Gotta like that. Reminds me of the old PDS shock on the old KTM. Pops right out. Set that aside. Along with these two grungy birds. I think 17. Oh no. 19. Yep. Think. Jeez. Oh, people. Man. Guess that's why they bring us their bikes. Can't wait to see what that aluminum looks like when I take that piece of junk off. Ah! So I just tipped this up and everything just came out of it. I guess that's a easy way to change bearings. Wow. What if the other side does it? Oh. Oh, it's raining needle bearings. I'd say these need to be done. I don't know. What do you guys think? Dude, man. Got some seals to take out of here first. The old seal puller. One of the best tools in the shop. As long as you don't gouge yourself. Like I'm about to do. Right in my spleen. Yeah, you got her.
Seal.
Whew. Yep. I think that's reusable. A little bit of prying. A little bit of swearing. We'll stick that back in. And redo the same on the other side. Might as well. So everyone out there in YouTubeville, it's a good idea to, look after your swingarm bearings every year. It's a good winter project, eh, chicken?
Good winter project.
All right, so now I'm going to try to get the inside ones out. They don't look too bad. Oh yeah. Boomski. Something just fell out there. So that's got the washer on the inside of the chain side. Everyone remember that? Washer.
Pointed out it'd be wrong.
Inside of the chainsaw. What's nice about having it on camera, eh? You can just rewind it. Oh man, we're missing all the action over here. Chicken jumping right into action. Ooh, nice bling.
Yep.
Goose blocky.
Yep, lock tight.
What do you think? Any luck? Any luck with this one? Yes, baby. Another outside of the chain side as well. Inside of the chain side, outside of the chain side. She's pretty seasoned. I'll heat these guys up. Heat them up and then put them on the vise and press them out with a couple preordained sockets. So, got one outer race out. Man. The outer race of that bearing, you probably can't see it there. It's still in there. Put the light on. But, so this bearing, the inner bearing came out. That's the swing arm right there. But the outer race of that inner bearing is still seized in there. So I'm going to have to try to punch it out that way. Man. Take care of your stuff, you guys. Frig. Okay, so we got that inner bearing race, the inner race of the bearing out by using 1, 2, 3. So we use 3 and we got her with the help of 2 hands. Patience won the day on that one. So there's one done, and now this one here, the washers are seized right in there now. So anyway, I'm gonna put some heat on that and see if I can't break those free. Look at the friggin' mess here. I mean, holy frig, boys! It's all right, we got her. We got her. Okay, we got success. Got both of them out. Using the same method, just had to use a couple different sockets, like I did in the first one. Double them up.
We'll put that, there you go. I'll do it again. Yep.
There you go.
What's up, girls?
Oh yeah, success. Okay, back at it again after a battery change. So we pressed in the brand new bearing, lickety split with a 20 mil, didn't we use? 20 mil socket?
Sure.
I think so. So we're just packing up the bearings there now, and then, yeah, got a lot done today.
Yep.
Did some work on the old Gladiator, drilled a few holes in the box, repositioned Chicken's sweet Milwaukee tool chest setup. Got that done. Oh, look at that. Just they fit in there like they're supposed to go in there. Sweet. Make them stay in there a little better. Oh, yeah. Slide right in there. Dust caps on. These will have to be carefully pressed into. Take those out for now, I guess. Bang, 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 bang. Do this side first, I guess. You want to be careful with these because you can very easily wreck them if they're not straight. Oh yeah, smooth, baby. Smooth.
Boys rode Stony Creek today.
Where's that?
Where your monster bike down a ravine. Your old beta. Kill me, Dan.
What?
This video is never gonna make the light of day.
Oh no?